Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see a basic overview of Microsoft PowerPoint in your mobile application. And if you're new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video. So today we're just going to see a Microsoft PowerPoint mobile overview. First of all, download the Microsoft PowerPoint from the Play Store and just open it. Now it will be opened like this, and you just want to click on this plus symbol to open the new document. You can see the templates and also a new document, and you can see this is a recent, shared and open. You can just open your phone storage files from this device option and add a place or browse from your Google Drive, whatever SD card, whatever that you can just open it, and you can just edit it, and you can just save it. Now to open a new file, click on this plus symbol on the top and click on the blank presentation here, and okay. Now you can see this is the presentation. In the bottom you can see a menu option, which actually you can just choose the home section and click on to insert section. This is how you just switch between the insert, draw, design and transition. So click on this draw section to draw the things, and in design section to change the theme, slides, etc. And in insert section you will see a lot of insert options like table, picture, videos, audios, everything. And click on this and you can see the animation, slideshow and view section. So this is the basic overview. You can just make it this icon to make these changes, and you can just click on this three dot and you can just save as PDF or save as your PowerPoint file. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.